Okite, Okite, this man here is my husband, and we have been married for 10 good years. Okite, this man here, they cheat on me with different girls. Obere nugo, obere na nkwo, obere na eke. Amamoyo na say.
Okite, okwasio. Oh, my boy, they cheat on me.
It's him that cheat on you.
Yes, you are cheating on me.
Okay, we are here for you to solve the problem for us.
You want me to solve your problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, Okite.
Both of you will swear. How about to go to place your hand on this spot. Repeat after me. Any day.
Any day.
I cheat on my husband.
I cheat on my husband.
Let my bekus.
Let my bekus
cease. And never to come out.
And never to come out.
He say. Young man, place your hand. Odogun okay. Imano okay. Yatago. Repeat after me. Any day.
Any day.
Owele ko shede.
Owele ko shede.
Elikito ofe egusi asina ofe akwụrụ ka a ga-eri.
Elikito ofe egusi asina ofe akwụrụ ka a ga-eri.
Ya dey come cheating on my wife. Let the gods of our land. Forgive me. Because I don't know what I'm doing. He say,
Okosime.
You push go in peace.
I no go agree for this one. Na lie. Which one be let the gods forgive him? Why? Why would the God? Okay, my own pekus go cease there, abi. Why his own manhood go dey free, they cheat, abi? Na lie, na lie.
Baby go here. Na ụmụ na dey polygamous in nature. Otu aka ọ dị, baby go here.
Enyi okay, chere biko ma nụrụ gị ntị. Thank you.
I do.
I don't trust you. Gị na eze mmụọ unu kpara ihe akpa. Okay, pekus nke mụ awụ nke ga-atọ na akwa ya.